Hello everyone, Pioneer. I greet you all from all over the world. So what is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button and subscribed to Pi News World. And also, don't forget to click like, comment and share. Come in the comments section and write PiNetwork to the moon. Ooh, wow, Pioneer. Did you know you are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency? Because of PiNetwork, as of today, you are a millionaire. PiNetwork, the smartphone revolution that could shake up cryptocurrency. PiNetwork introduces accessible cryptocurrency mining via smartphones, promoting eco-friendly and sustainable practices. The platform utilizes a trust graph mechanism for secure transactions, reducing the need for heavy computational power. This innovation could democratize crypto mining, making it accessible to users without technical expertise. As PiNetwork approaches its public listing, uncertainty about its market value raises questions about its ability to compete with established players like Bitcoin. Regulatory challenges highlight the delicate balance between financial innovation and oversight. PiNetwork represents a shift towards sustainable and inclusive financial systems, offering opportunities and risks for both new and experienced crypto enthusiasts. In the whirlwind world of cryptocurrencies, PiNetwork has quietly emerged as a novel contender promising to revolutionize digital currency mining. Imagine a world where you can mine cryptocurrency without energy-guzzling hardware, just a smartphone in hand. PiNetwork offers precisely that, inviting users to participate in mining through a simple app that transforms smartphones into eco-friendly mining machines. With an intuitive interface, PiNetwork leverages a unique trust graph mechanism, allowing secure transactions without the heavy computational baggage typical of other cryptos. This approach not only ensures accessibility for users without technical expertise, but also aligns with global calls for sustainability. Yet, as anticipation builds for PiNetwork's public listing, uncertainty surrounds its potential market value, leaving investors and tech enthusiasts wondering if it can challenge titans like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Despite its promise of easy access and minimal environmental impact, regulatory hurdles loom, illustrating the fragile balance between innovation and oversight in the financial world. At its core, PiNetwork embodies a shift towards inclusive and sustainable financial systems. For newcomers and the seasoned crypto enthusiasts alike, it symbolizes a fresh frontier ripe with possibilities, but one not without its own set of risks. As you decide whether to join this community on the cusp of potential transformation, proceed with a discerning eye. Embrace this convergence of technology and sustainability, armed with awareness of its speculative nature and the volatility typical of pioneering ventures. Whether PiNetwork will ascend as a dominant force or remain an experimental curiosity depends on its navigational prowess in the evolving landscape of digital currencies. Proceed with curiosity, embracing the potential rewards while bearing in mind the latent risks. How it works. PiNetwork allows users to mine cryptocurrency using a smartphone app, which acts as a lightweight, eco-friendly mining platform. Users earn PiCoins by contributing to the network's security through daily check-ins and building trusted networks among peers. Key features. Eco-friendly mining utilizes the Stellar Consensus Protocol, which is significantly more energy efficient than traditional mining methods. The user-friendly app is designed for easy use by individuals without technical expertise. The Trust Graph feature ensures secure transactions by establishing trusted user relationships within the network. All right, let's talk about the pros of the PiNetwork. First up, ease of use. The app is straightforward, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Next, there's the eco-conscious model. With its low energy consumption, PiNetwork aligns with sustainable practices. And finally, it's community-driven. The network emphasizes building a network of trust among its users, fostering a community-centric approach. Now let's discuss the cons of the PiNetwork. One major point is the speculative value. The actual market value of Pi remains uncertain since it is not yet listed on major exchanges. Then there are regulatory hurdles. The network faces potential challenges as it navigates compliance with global financial regulations. And lastly, volatility. Like many cryptocurrencies, Pi is subject to significant volatility and unpredictability. Moving on to insights and innovations, PiNetwork potentially represents a leap forward in crypto innovation with its commitment to sustainability and user accessibility. However, its success hinges on its ability to secure a stable market position against established players like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Finally, let's talk about the security aspects of PiNetwork. By employing a trust graph mechanism, PiNetwork enhances transaction security without the need for heavy computational resources, offering an innovative approach to securing digital assets.